How's it going, everyone? Alex from Trident Crypto Asset Management here, and today we're going to take a quick look at how to add the Polygon mainnet to MetaMask so that we can use Enzyme Finance without all the fees of Ethereum. This allows for transactions to occur at a fraction of a penny as opposed to a couple $100s, making it much more affordable to deposit and withdraw from the Enzyme vaults. I'll have a link in the description to this Medium blog post on how to add the Polygon mainnet to MetaMask because I found it is the best resource for doing so. So all we're going to do is follow along with what it says here. We're going to go ahead and add a network, being the Matic mainnet, and just essentially copy and paste all this information that we see right here into our MetaMask. So first thing we're going to want to do is click our Fox at the top of our screen. And if we haven't done so already, we're going to want to set up a MetaMask wallet, which we did make a video on how to do that. Once you're logged into MetaMask, we're going to want to go ahead and click this arrow by Ethereum Mainnet and hit Add Network. Now what that's going to allow us to do is add that Matic mainnet, and we're going to want to go ahead and fill in all of these blank spots right here with our information on the Medium blog post. So our network name is Matic mainnet. Next thing we're going to want to do is take this RPC URL and go ahead and insert that into there. Now this is just a picture, so unfortunately we can't just copy and paste it, and the Medium blog post doesn't actually have it written out. So I will actually go ahead and post all this information in the description so you can just very easily copy and paste it. And once we get that inserted, just want to double check that it's correct. Our chain ID number is 137. Currency symbol is Matic, M-A-T-I-C. And our block explorer URL is https://polyscan. And once we have all that in there, we can go ahead and hit save. And just like that, we should see 0 Matic in our account, and we do have the correct Matic logo here, meaning we have the right network. Everything is all set up. And as we can see here, we now can switch between the Ethereum mainnet or the Matic mainnet, depending on what network we want to operate on. Now, Enzyme operates on both Ethereum and Matic mainnet. As a firm, Trident Crypto Asset Management has decided to operate on the Polygon version of it for reduced fees for our users. And that's why we had to set up the Matic mainnet. And whenever we are on Enzyme or using Enzyme, we're going to want to ensure that we're using Matic. All right, so that wraps up our video on how to actually add the Matic mainnet to our MetaMask wallet. The next video is going to cover how to fund our wallet from a centralized exchange. If you have any questions, feel free to put them down in the comments, or you can always reach out to us anytime in our Discord server. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching.